how to connect Hostinger domain to Shopify. So the first thing that you want to do is log into both your Hostinger and Shopify accounts. After that, go to the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings. Then scroll down and select Domains. Over here, click on Connect Existing Domain. After that, go to your Hostinger dashboard and copy the domain you want to connect. Then paste the domain into Shopify with www at the beginning and click Next. After that, go back to Hostinger and click Manage on your domain. Then go to DNS name servers and scroll to Manage DNS records. Over here, delete any existing A and CNAME records. After that, add a new CNAME record. For name, enter www, and for target, enter shops.mishopify.com, then click Add Record. Then add a new record. For name, enter at, and for points to, enter the given IP address. Leave TTL as it is and click Add Record. After that, go back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.